Ciao Daniel, questa volta ti mando un video così vediamo insieme se dopo le modifiche è tutto come pensavate. Parlo in inglese così lo capisce anche il tuo collega. So this indicator is not anymore the same like the one of last week. We modified the circuit board, so now there is a jumper over here that you can put to two positions. Sorry for this plus and minus, I have just added by pen now, so this is something new. We will see it later. So it's pretty new, we just did it this morning. So let's see the lights first. I think that's nothing special. So pin number 2, you see there is an RJ45 coming to the splitter, so I will be working on the splitter easily. So pin 2 is the common negative to the LEDs. Let's give the common negative, and then I will get a positive here. Right here, this brown is a positive. So then on 3, 4, 5, 6 we are turning on the different colors. So this is 1, sorry I'm left-handed. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so wherever I put the positive, I turn on the light for 3, 4, 5, 6. Not much more to say about that. Then I have the push button. So the push button, it's also easy. So on pin 1 I already have the red cable. So here I will have a constant positive always on pin 1. And so when I will press the push button, and now I have to use the tester. So let's put negative here on the tester. So push button is 8. So there's nothing on the push button, but when I press the push button, you see it's dropping 24 volt on pin 8. So that's again something very simple and not modifiable. Now pin 7 is the one that I want to explain a little bit more. So now let's come to the new jumper. So if I put the jumper on the right, so where the positive sign is, and there's a small plus there, that means that now on pin 1 I'm giving a positive, which okay, I'm getting back from the push button, okay? But this positive now, because the jumper is there, it's also going to the M12 connectors pin 1. So now you see I have these two pins here. I will be able to simulate the contact by closing it. So now if I come to measure on pin 7, there is no voltage, you see? 0. If I close it, if I close my signal here, okay, then I have my 24. Sorry, it's not easy to touch everything. Okay, I have my 24. I open, have nothing. Close, I have my 24. This is because the jumper is on the right. But if I put the jumper on the left, now I'm dropping the negative on pin 1. So I'm putting the same negative that I already have on pin 2 for the LEDs. So now this negative is on pin 1. So now if I close the contact here, I will have to look for the negative here and not anymore the positive. So to do that, I will change here my tester. 1 second. Okay, so I'm coming with the black now. Now I'm measuring negative here. So when I close the contact, again, when I close the contact here, again I have the voltage. I open the contact, no voltage, but now I'm getting negative because I moved the jumper. Okay? I still have the possibility to remove the jumper. So I don't use anymore the jumper. Okay? Now it's time to try the screw terminal. So now this screw terminal, whatever I will put on one pin, let's say I put the positive, okay, then I will find the same positive on the other terminal of the screw. So basically it's right now between the M12 and the screw terminal, and nothing to do with the voltage of the LEDs or the voltage on pin 1, pin 2. So now it's direct between the M12 and the screw terminals. But for this I have to remove the jumper. So the rest of the circuit is not anymore involved. I can put a different voltage actually. I can put a 12 volt or a different source of 24 volt or 36 volt. Whatever I want to put on the M12 connector, I can put it directly on the screw terminals. I just have to remove the jumper, otherwise I will have a short circuit between this voltage and that voltage. Okay, let me know if this is what you wished. And have a good day and have a good weekend. Ciao!